Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, December 27, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, December 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong December 27, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, December 27, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for December 27, 2025 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, December 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.